The Stories That Connect Us is about recording local stories from the Melton area around Lake Caroline in a way that will allow the public to explore the lake, hear local stories told by children from Creekside College. I'm the lead artist of the project, so I'm working collaboratively with Beth Nolan from Creekside College to develop the workshops that we'll be running with the students.
My name's Beth and I'm the secondary art teacher at Creekside College. The project we're working on is the students are collecting data and evidence from around the lake and using that to, tell local stories and making work in response to that. So we'll be working with different materials, techniques, those sorts of things to make small little animations and decals for around the space.
We're going to be making a stop motion animation about our experiences at the lake. We're going to be making the animation and then it's going to be turned into QR codes and people are going to be able to scan them and watch the animation.
Basically, we're using technology and art, so it's like modern world.
For the students to have an experience like this at such a young age is really rare. I would have loved to have an experience like this when I was a teenager in high school and get to work with artists and get to work with council for that, real world experience that they don't necessarily get. And I think it's really nice to go through this process, work with someone who's a professional and see the work they're making realised in a space that other people interact with it, and it's not just art for an assignment, but it's art with purpose.
Right now we're making the backgrounds for our animation. We're working with different textures and different ways of putting the paint on the paper. Our story is based on one of my friend's brother's stories, actually. Her brother went to the park and then ended up getting chased by a goose because he ran out of bread. I'm kind of really excited about how this is going to be shown for the public, for anyone to see.
Well, I'm actually looking forward to seeing it at the lake. That's amazing.
I'm looking forward to my artwork being out in the lake so everyone can see my art piece and think, wow, that's a really good art piece.
I'm really happy with all the work the students put together. There's been really great community response and engagement with the project. We really wanted to build a sense of connection after the COVID lockdown, and I think that's definitely taken place. How proud the kids are to have something in a public space and be able to invite people from the local community down to Lake Caroline to interact with the artworks and connect with the stories of this area.